How to fix Cash App. Withdrawal canceled. If your Cash App withdrawal was canceled, follow these structured steps to resolve the issue. 1. Review notifications and emails. Check the Cash App notifications and your registered email for details on why the withdrawal failed. Common reasons include insufficient funds, security flags, or incorrect details. 2. Verify available balance. Ensure your Cash App balance covers the withdrawal amount, including any pending transactions. Top up your balance if needed. 3. Confirm linked bank account card details. 1. Bank transfers. Verify the linked account's routing, and account numbers under linked banks in settings update if incorrect. 2. ATM withdrawal. Ensure your cash card is active, not expired, and the correct PIN is used. Replace the card if expired. 4. Complete identity verification. Unverified accounts may have transaction limits. Submit your ID, SSN, and other details via the app under Profile greater than verification. 5. Update the Cash App. Install the latest version from the App Store or Google Play to fix potential bugs.